So week 2, day 2, final part, part 6. So what we're going to do is we're just going to talk about targets. Let's just come back to this, finish off with targets. Look, we always end up with a sine curve sales model in selling, yeah, right? People get this. This is how it works. It's that whole world of sales is affected by this. You have a big burst and then it drops away, a big burst drops away. Today's session is the most important session of all the sessions I do, yeah? Because at the end of the day, if you don't have appointments in your diary, you don't have first meetings, you don't have second meetings, you don't have third meetings. Or if you have half the number of first meetings, you have half the number of seconds, half the number of thirds. It's the way it works, yeah? So we've got to have a consistent flow over a period of 12 months, 48 weeks a year, 50 weeks a year, of X number of first appointments in our diary. The way we get that is by asking the right number of people, sit down and have a coffee. Yeah? That's how it all works. Book a meeting, do a first meeting, do a second meeting, do a third meeting, bring a client on, yeah, right? It's a very simple process. So how does it look? Yeah? Again, we've gone through this. I know if I send X number of LinkedIn messages, X number of emails, X number of phone calls, and X number of WhatsApp, I get X number of appointments. Now, my personal goal is 4 SAT meetings a week. Yeah? So if I sit 4 meetings a week, I really only need to be sending out 5 to 6 LinkedIn requests to have a meeting because I get 2 from that. If I get 2 referrals per week, I'm now sat with my 4 appointments. Job done, right? It's easy. Yeah? So I'm looking for 2 or 3 referrals a week, and I'm looking for that long LinkedIn conversations happening. Sometimes I'll book a meeting through email. Sometimes I'll pick up the phone and pick someone up. But there's a set of metrics there. Really, I need to be doing about 12 reaches a week to get my 4 to 6 meetings that I want. Yeah. Okay. Does that make sense? That's what I'm looking for you. We've got to track this. So where do we track it? We track it in here. Okay. This document here is what it's all about, yeah? How many meeting requests do we do, yeah? In a weekly basis, yeah? How many times do we send out a meeting request? For me, I need to do 12. If I do 12, I'm on track. For some people, it's 20. For some people, it's 40, okay? Whatever it is, 40 to get 6 firsts is a good ratio. 20 to get 6 firsts is a good ratio. 12 to get 6 firsts is excellent, yeah? But that's what we're looking to do, yeah? Okay, so that's us done. We're ready to step into first meetings next week. I hope that all makes sense. Any questions, please come back to me on the WhatsApp groups. That's what we're there for. Happy to help, happy to sit down with you. I've had to change the background, as you'll notice here, because the guy downstairs was doing all the sweeping, unfortunately. Yeah? So that's why it's different.